Load it up, Carl.
Let me out. Hold me back. No, don't hold me back. Let me out. Ride some 4-wheelers that go boulder when I ain't in the stoop. That smoke on down, whoever throw, I never pick and choose. I'm 5'7", I walk in, she standing 5'2". She asked me what I like to do, I told her, how about shoot? Hey, how about shoot? How about and shoot? Funny how you like the million, now I'm feeling you. We hop out and shoot. Popping out the swing, and bitches out they saying us. A lot of niggas spending night. Ain't tell no lie when I say we popping out. Head up on sight, I see I'm gonna get rocking out. Tryna call you bitches speaker, son. I had to chill a fucking year out before I knocked them out. The dad ain't even seen it coming. Tripping like last Sunday. I just took all of the chicken like last Monday. I'm trying to change, but sometimes they like I'm running from me. I like another once I get on another woman. I went oranges on the dome, I got the butter from it. Once a nigga call out smoke, I'm coming running to it. I ain't gonna lie, you make me feel good on the murder song. I told her, shawty, B, you probably never going home. I told Boost, I called a few bodies looking up to you. I told Plaza, every time you rap this shit, I wasn't gonna do it. We probably beat, but we a G, that mean we tired of hate. I walk from GA, stole the car coming from Power Heights. Sometimes we fight, but when it's war, we kinda gather though. We hop out and we shoot, we go there with whoever, so we go wherever. It's whatever. Say, ride the 4-wheelers and go bowling when I ain't in the stool. That smoke go down, whoever throw, I never pick and choose. I'm 5'7", I'm all these, she standing 5'2". She asked me what I like to do, I told her, how about shoot? How about and shoot? How about shoot? How about and shoot? And how about you? But what you and your friends do? How about shoot? We love running the gun. When I find the CPD, you know that they done. As soon as Shawty took me back when running game tour, she said she'll give me a chance and moon like a lane door. These niggas always keep calling like they need son. My older bitch keep cooking for me, cleaning for me. Walking down, 100 round, fully with a switch, bullet shooting quick. We back down, and the niggas come around this bitch. Everybody say they demon time, but I move with grace. I'm a righteous reaper, a good nigga, but I eat your face. I was on 20 perks before the end of the day. Straight up, nigga, turn his back on my left from on his face. Don't make me get in your eyes and wake up in your place. This the longest I've been out and I ain't catch a case. I know I'm never finna go back. The pain to suffer and share the cell with a nigga and they have to smell each other. I'm wiping a whole generation out about my brother. A nigga wanna bring the crazy out and try my brother. Yeah, how about you? Hey, bro, go get him. Hey, yeah, how about you? Hey, bro, go get him. Hey, yeah. I'ma how about to shoot? I'ma ready to go get him. I'ma ready to go get him. I'ma how about to shoot? I'ma ready to go get him. I'm ready to go get him. Say, I'ma how about to shoot? I'm ready to go get him. Y'all ready to go get him. Y'all how about to shoot? I'm ready to go get him. Yeah.
Get that boy.